Today I'm making strawberry lemon bars. I love any dessert that tastes like lemons. These strawberry lemon bars are both sweet and tart, and the addition of strawberries gives them a beautifully pink color and a ton of berry flavor. You can press the CC button to turn on subtitles or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. For the crust, we're going to need half a cup of butter softened, quarter cup of sugar, 1 3/4 cups of flour, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. I'm going to grease a 9x13 baking dish, cover with parchment paper, and grease again, because why not? Now into the bowl of my mixer I'm adding the half cup of butter and quarter cup of sugar, and mixing till thoroughly cream. Just a minute or two. Next we're going to add in the 1 3/4 cups of flour and quarter teaspoon of salt, and mixing until the mixture looks like crumbly sand. Dump this out into the dish, spreading it out evenly and pressing down to compact it into a flat crust. Now throw this in the 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes and let's get started on our filling. So for the lemon filling, you're going to want to get 1 cup of lemon juice. This took me about 6 medium lemons, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 cup of chopped strawberries, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 4 room temperature eggs, 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Grab your cup of lemon juice and add it to the blender, along with 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 cup of chopped strawberries, and 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Blend till smooth and add 4 eggs, quarter cup of flour, half teaspoon baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt, before blending again and pouring all over the baked crust. And back into the oven it goes for another 30 minutes. Now I've let this cool down completely and I'm just loosening the sides with a spatula. Mine didn't seem super sturdy, so I shoved the spatula underneath for extra support to keep it from bending and breaking, and pulled it out of the baking dish. Again, I'm just loosening the lemon bar from the parchment paper and sliding it off. Now we can cut it into even squares. Okay, or make them all different sizes. Nice job. For the final touch, sprinkle on some powdered sugar, as much as you want. Check out that sugar cloud. I definitely recommend saving this step till you're ready to serve. I sugared the rest of my lemon bars, and by the next day, they had absorbed it all. What you're left with here is a beautifully pink twist on a classic lemon bar. Some recipes are more cakey, some more custardy. This one falls closer to the custard side. The crust, though it seemed fragile as a whole, is perfectly sturdy, tender, and crisp. So, how's it taste? If you love lemon, these strawberry lemon bars are for you. Your taste buds get an immediate burst of tart lemon and sweet strawberries as soon as it comes in contact with your tongue. The crust is light and crumbly, yet sturdy and crisp. It's a perfect ratio of crust to filling to balance out the sweetness and acidity of the strawberry lemon with the shortbread. I'm genuinely confident that anyone can put this together at home in a short amount of time. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. Regulars, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.